What are the importance of high traffic area cleanliness? First impressions. High traffic areas are the first point of contact for guests, making cleanliness essential for positive first impressions. Health and safety. Regular cleaning helps minimize the spread of germs and allergens, creating a healthier environment for both guests and staff. A clean and tidy atmosphere enhances the overall guest experience, contributing to positive reviews and repeat business. It demonstrates the hotel's commitment to quality and care. These expanded cleaning procedures provide a detailed framework for ensuring that both guest rooms and public areas are maintained to the highest standards, reflecting the hotel's commitment to guest satisfaction and operational excellence. For safety and hygiene practices, you need to use PPE, which is known as personal protective equipment. And what is the purpose of this personal protective equipment? They are essential for safeguarding housekeeping staff against potential hazards encountered during cleaning tasks. Proper use of PPE minimizes the risk of exposure to harmful substances and reduces the chance of injury. We have different types of PPEs. We have the gloves. Disposable or reusable gloves protect your hands from chemicals and contaminants. We have the masks. Face masks or respirators can prevent inhalation of dust, fumes, and airborne pathogens, particularly in areas with strong cleaning agents or potential allergens. We have the goggles. Safety goggles can prevent your eyes from splashes of cleaning chemicals. The aprons as well. Waterproof aprons help protect your clothing and your skin from spills and stains. To safe handle and store your cleaning chemicals, you need proper training. All housekeeping staff should receive training on the safe handling of cleaning chemicals, including understanding their labels, their material safety data sheets, and your safety data sheets. Let's move on to storage guidelines. Store cleaning chemicals in a designated locked cabinet away from guest areas and out of the reach of children. You need to label them. Ensure that all containers are clearly labeled with the contents and any hazard warnings. Separation of chemicals. Keep incompatible chemicals separate to prevent reactions that could lead to toxic fumes or dangerous situations. Always follow manufacturer instructions regarding dilution, application, and ventilation. Use appropriate measuring devices to avoid accidental overdosing.